Prime Minister, the Right Honorable Perry Christie, officially opened the first Eastern Caribbean's state-of-the-art cancer center, and it's also the work of a Bahamian physician. The move signals a number of medical breakthroughs and achievements for Bahamians and regional medicine. Clint Watson tonight tells us about the mandate of the new healthcare pavilion.
It's one of his final official duties as chairman of CARICOM. Prime Minister, the Right Honorable Perry Christie, officially opening the medical pavilion Antigua, a new 20,000 square feet medical complex and home to the Cancer Center Eastern Caribbean. The facility, the brainchild of Bahamian Dr. Conville Brown, has already installed state-of-the-art cancer treatment equipment by electrotechnology that would allow the facility to usher in a new and highest level of cancer care to the Eastern Caribbean states.
We will be able to link all of the OECS states, all 9 countries, so that if we saw a patient in Montserrat, when we come back here, their information was here long before we got back here. So it's all electronically connected, and electronic medical records, in other words. Yes, so that's what we'll have. And that's going to be good because we're going to have a hub and spoke setup wherein patients will come to Antigua for 2 things: radiation therapy, because we'll be the only center doing it, and they will come for complex chemotherapy. Otherwise, we will go out to the various states and help them to deliver chemotherapy at home, with the government itself purchasing the chemo so that they can keep their costs down as much as possible.
Dr. Brown called this move the pinnacle of his 25-year career as a cardiologist. Prime Minister Christie says a multi-million-dollar facility spearheaded by a Bahamian signals a new day for the Bahamas in administering international medicine and establishing facilities overseas. Dr. Brown explains what will take place at the facility.
We will offer 3 sets of services: cardiac, cancer, and imaging. We wanted to do things that were different from what's already available, because no sense going into someone's territory to compete with them. So the radiation therapy, nobody has it in the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States. From the cardiac perspective, we're going to introduce the first interventional cardiology suite.
And with the critical information linkage, the Prime Minister is pleased as he prepares to implement national health insurance to the archipelago of islands. The Minister of Health, the Honorable Dr. Perry Gomez, also accompanying the Prime Minister, called it a red letter day as he sees healthcare shaping up throughout the entire region. And more than it just being Bahamian pride, the Prime Minister says it's significant in having a facility of this nature in the Eastern Caribbean, as it no doubt will save lives. Now, the facility is already treating 4 patients, and we're told will officially be open to receive the public in about a week's time. In Antigua, Clint Watson, ZNS Network News.